If you want to block off time in Calendly, whether that's for a vacation, a busy workday, a meeting, or just some focused time away from bookings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block off time in Calendly quickly and correctly so people can't schedule over those hours. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account and go to the top navigation bar. From there, click Availability. This is where Calendly lets you manage when you're open, when you're unavailable, and what time slots people can actually book. Once you're in the availability section, look for the date or schedule you want to adjust. If you want to block off a specific day or a custom set of hours, click plus date specific hours. This option is really useful when you don't want to change your regular weekly availability, but you do need to make an exception for one day or a short period of time. After that, select the specific date you want to change. Calendly will show you the time ranges currently available for that day. Now comes the important part. To block off a time range, click the X icon or the Remove button next to the time block you no longer want available. If you want to block the entire day, just remove every time range listed for that date. That tells Calendly not to show any bookable slots for that day, which is perfect if you're out of office, traveling, or simply not taking meetings. If you only want to block part of the day, remove just the specific time range you need. This gives you more control and lets you keep the rest of your availability open. As you make changes, double check that the correct date is selected and that the unavailable time is actually removed from the schedule. This step helps avoid accidental booking issues later. Once everything looks good, click Apply or Update to save your changes. This confirms your new unavailable slots and makes sure Calendly respects the blocked off time. After saving, it's a good idea to test your booking link or preview your availability to confirm the time is no longer showing up. That quick check can save you from unexpected meetings getting booked during time you meant to keep free. And that's it. You've now blocked off time in Calendly, either for part of a day or for an entire day, depending on what you needed. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your schedule under control and make sure your calendar works around your real life, not the other way around. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.